Soffit covers the area at the eave of the roof or porch ceilings. Soffit comes in solid, vented, and combination panels in vinyl or aluminum. Vented panels allow critical airflow into the attic area. Consult local building code for the proper amount of ventilation required. Local environmental conditions and building codes, especially in high wind zones, may call for different installation techniques. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes for the correct soffit installation techniques. The procedure used to install soffit depends on the construction of the eaves and gable. Open eaves have exposed rafters or trusses and are typical in new construction. Enclosed eaves have soffit already in place and are typical of re-siding projects. The first step in installing soffit is to install a soffit receiving channel onto the wall. This channel must be applied level to the bottom of the fascia board. For open eaves, an F channel can be installed directly into the wall, or a wood block strip can be used for installing J channel. You can also cut tabs into the nailing hem of a J channel and attach this modified channel by nailing into the tabs. For enclosed eaves, J channel can be attached directly to the existing wood soffit. Using any of these options, you should nail the channel a maximum of every 8 to 12 inches, positioning the nails in the center of the slots. Do not nail tight. Leave about a 1/32 of an inch gap. In most cases, you are not required to install a receiver into the fascia board. You must cut vinyl soffit panels to fit the span. If the span is more than 16 inches, you must use intermediate nailing strips to reduce the span and prevent sagging. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Measure from the wall to the fascia board. Subtract a 1/2 inch to allow for panel movement. Mark this measurement on the panel. Use tin snips or a circular saw with a fine-toothed plywood blade installed in reverse direction or a vinyl siding blade to cut soffit panels. Insert the panel into the receiving channel while checking that the panel is square. Then nail the other end into the fascia board. When turning a corner, you usually install a transitional channel to receive mitered panels. In some cases, where adjacent soffits are different dimensions, you must make a square corner. You can use back-to-back J channel, a factory-formed H divider, or a field-formed aluminum T channel. With all these options, make sure that the channel system is securely attached. Now, miter the soffit panels and install. You can also field bend the soffit panel at the peak of the gable. At the peak of the gable, use back-to-back J channel to make the transition.